students, welcome, and today we will discuss some common spelling mistakes in the IELTS test. Now students make a lot of mistakes in the IELTS test, but some of them are spelling mistakes. Why do they make them? Well, they make them for a variety of reasons. They get confused by the wordings or get confused by how the words are spoken, and when they listen to those words, they do not translate them into the writing format. So let's look at some of the common words that students get confused by. The first is government. Government is spelled as Government. Now what do students do? They write Government. They write Government, which is completely wrong. The second one is environment. Again, it's spelled as Environment. And what do students write? Environment. Okay. The third one is effortlessly. He effortlessly carries the ball. He effortlessly swims. Okay. Effortlessly is easily. So it's spelled as Effortlessly. What I have seen with students? I have seen with students the effortlessly is effortlessly. This one is lie. Effortlessly lie. Okay, which is wrong. The fourth one is wreck. Wreck is destroyed. It's spelled as WRECK. Note that W is silent here. What do students write? RECK. Wreck. This is what students write. The fifth one is magazine. It's spelled as MAGAZINE. Magazine. So what do students write? MAGAZINE. I've seen students write this magazine. Some of them pronounce it this way, and that's why they make the spelling mistakes. The sixth one is receipt. When you order something, you receive a receipt. It's spelled as RECEIPT. I've seen students write, it's wrong, RECEPT. Recept. Okay. The seventh one is ecosystem. It's spelled as ECOSYSTEM. Ecosystem. And I've seen students write ECOSISTEM, because the way you speak it is ecosystem, but this is a Y, not a I. Okay. The eighth one is access. Access is letting someone come in. Access. Okay. I've seen students write this way. Access. They write 3 S's. Okay, which is wrong. This is a complex one. Souvenir. What does a souvenir mean? It is an item that you bring from another place as a mark of a memory. Okay. It's spelled as SOUVENIR. And what do students write? SOVENIER. They make lots of mistakes with this word. The 10th one is perhaps the easiest one. Get students make mistake. Why? Because there is a silent B here. It's spelled as debt. DEBT. And what do students write? DET, debt. Okay, so these are some of the common spelling mistakes that students make. There are also ample amount of mistakes that students make with regards to spelling. So if you have any questions with regards to this video, please comment down. And if you have any suggestions also, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button